Wow, that was a big one.
And once again for those folks traveling with flight 1742 to San Francisco. Alright, we do have a new departure time of 9:45. Still being optimistic and hoping for the weather to clear up a little bit. We're basically at the midpoint. Based on the last information that I have received, it's about another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. The main majority of the storm should pass. And once we do see light at the end of the tunnel, we will start the boarding process. Until then, we will hold back. According to the captain as well as myself, we don't want to hold anybody hostage on the aircraft for however long. So we will start the boarding process, like I said, as soon as we see the light at the end of the tunnel, as soon as we have the last of the thunderstorm. And hoping that in about another 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And as soon as we do, once again, if you want to stretch your legs out, move around, feel free to do so. We're still not going anywhere for another 30 to 45 minutes. 9:45 is the new departure time, and I guess I'll make another announcement as soon as I have a little more information. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the most customer traveling flight 845 to Sao Paulo, Brazil. Once again, if you're traveling flight 845 to Sao Paulo, that flight will be departing out of gate number C.